This nigga up there is challenging me to ride down a big hill. I get messed up, but I'm okay though. I'm alright. I just fell. Him gonna challenge me to ride down the biggest, him all the way up there. You'll see when we get closer. He gonna challenge me to ride down the biggest hill ever. I'm taking it dang on slow. He up there saying, get off your feet, get off your feet. Freak that. I almost could have lost my life because of that idiot right there. You. I'm recording. What? Where we going? You riding down that hill. Alright, hold on. He crazy. Look at him. He about to ride down the hill. He crazy. Alright, hold on. Shoot. Yeah, okay. Hope you get messed up. Swear. And a car's coming. Oh yeah, he gonna get messed up. Yeah, car's coming. Yeah, he gonna get messed up. Yeah. Okay. I'm almost at my destination. But alright! Go! Man, wasting time. Woo! He's crazy. Almost I got balled up right here. Whew. I'm alright though. Where is he? Oh, there go the nigga. Crazy! Alright, we out. And this is my bike. Yeah. I don't care if it's girly or not. Oh! Oh, dang on car. What? Yeah, got it. Did you get bought up?
No.
Oh, alright.
Wait, do that to me. I'm holding niggas. One day, don't trap this kid. Alright?
Yeah, you influenced them.
This is my squad, alright? Peace. Damn.